Hey y'all, I just got the mail out of the mailbox because I knew this was coming. I got me a little happy mail today. It is from Jim Wortley Handmade Pin Shop. And I have not been able to get a hold of Rich Crafts, Rich Pins. So, anyway, there's another company I want to pin from, but my friend Stephanie from Steph's Got It, she has a pin, and I saw hers, and I was like, where'd you get that from? That's nice. And I went on this guy's Etsy shop and got this, and I ordered it Saturday, and it came today, and today is Friday, so hey, that's not stinking bad. Let's open it up. Let's see. I'm just gonna put. Yes, I've been wanting a thicker pen. I'm still trying to get one from the place that Miss Coffee got her clear and white one that I just love. I love it, but I want a purple one. Okay, so this is nice. We have a bag inside the bag, which, okay, so we're gonna get rid of that one, which means that he is definitely trying to make sure that it does not come damaged. Liking this already. Alright, come on. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so this is an invoice which has my information on it. It says, thank you. The pen was $26. Look at all the attachments. Oh, I got straighteners. Oh, I've never had straighteners before. Okay. That's cool. I have a 6 and a 9. Alright. So I'm going to put that away. Came in a really nice little velvet pouch. Ooh, it has a 3. Oh, look at the purple. Okay, so it's a single placer and a 3 placer. And you can change it out with, I have 2 straighteners now. And
I didn't catch that.
Okay. I don't know. I have a 6 and a 9. That was my dad's telephone. I don't know why it's listening to me. Or either it was Cortana on my computer, but that certainly would have like popped up. So I don't know. Anyway, life happens, I guess. I'm liking these straighteners. I've never had straighteners, so I'm really interested to try those out. But right now I'm going to put this 3 placer back on it. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Something that really has some thickness, because usually these thin ones, it's like my thumb starts hurting. It's really light though. It's really, really light. But I like it. I like it. And I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it a shot with Stars in a Walk this evening. It's a really lovely purple and blue. Kind of a milky color. It's got some shine to it. Really, really nice. Okay, so that is, yeah, my unbagging of my little happy that I bought last weekend. Super excited about trying this thing out because it's thicker. It is thicker than one of these. It's even thicker than the pen I made. And I like the pen I made. So, yeah. All right. Hope that you go check this guy out. I'm going to attempt to put a link down in the description for his Etsy store. Please go and check him out. I mean, it got here fast. Granted, it's not a custom. I just picked one off of his Etsy shop that I liked because I could tell it was purple and blue, but man, I did not see all of the, it's like a shimmer. It is so pretty. But go check him out. Yeah, see if you can find one you like. And until next time, bye guys.